Hi, I'm Jill, and welcome to a new phonetic sounds video. The sound that we're focusing on today is v, v, like in vegetable or vampire. So this is a voiced sound, which means we use our voice box. So if you put your fingers here, you can feel when you make the sound. So to make the sound, you put your top teeth on the inside of your bottom lip, like this. And then you push air out and use your voice box to make a sound. V, v. So let's take a look at some words that have the v sound in them. Violin, violin. Vegetable, vegetable. Vampire, vampire. And here's a tongue twister to practice the sound v. Wild vines make fine vintage wines. Wild vines make fine vintage wines. So the sound v is almost always written with the letter V. But, of course, there are exceptions. So let's take a look at some spelling versus pronunciation. So the sound v is usually represented by the letter V at the beginning of a word, like in vampire, in the middle of the word, like in 11, or at the end of the word, like in love. But there are two exceptions in English when we use different letters to represent the sound v. One of these is a very common word, of. So the letter F actually has the sound v, like in a cup of tea. The other exception is a name, a boy's name, Stephen, which can be spelt with the letter V, but can also be spelt with the letters PH, but both have the sound v. Stephen, Stephen. But let's get back to the sound v. Vivacious Val vacuumed Violet's very vivid vehicle. Vivacious Val vacuumed Violet's very vivid vehicle. So I hope you enjoyed this video and understand a little more about the sound v in English. I'm making videos of all the individual phonetic sounds in English, and you can find them here on my YouTube channel or on the Study HQ Cairns website in Jill's English Pronunciation Gym. Jill's English Pronunciation Gym has lots of different ways to practice your English pronunciation. So all the phonetic sounds have videos, there are limericks, tongue twisters, and other ways to practice your English pronunciation and strengthen your English muscles in the gym. So head over for a workout today. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you next time.